Hi guys, and I'm back again with one more BH Cosmetics review for this day that I am recording. So, it's going to be the Galaxy Chic palette today, and I did use it to do my eye makeup. And it's by BH Cosmetics, and it's their baked eyeshadow palette. It has 18 colors, and when you get it, here's the packaging. It's that really dense laminated paper cardboard type feel, and it slips out in the sleeve. And then we have this cute little palette, and it has a magnet. Excuse me. But it has a magnet holding it together. And then it has the sanitary film. I like to keep this just to keep the palettes clean. It has a mirror. And then all of the wonderful little eyeshadows. And it's their baked eyeshadows, just like the Wild Child palette. So they're a little down more, and they're kind of raised in this dome shape. So I thought this was so cute because all of these are different moon or planet names, and it's really cute. A lot of blues and a lot of warm colors. Like we have the Sun, Saturn, Venus, Jupiter, Prometheus, and Aphrodite are all pretty warm colors. And then we have two really cute, Milky Way and Cosmic, which are both really purple. And one's a slightly lighter purple than the other. Milky Way's a little lighter. It has little, like, swirls of white in it. And then, like, this entire cluster of 8 right here are all really blue. Pluto is really blue, the moon is really blue, and then so is the asteroid. And then we have like kind of weird, like Mercury. Mercury is just like a bronzy color. Yeah, it's just really bronzy. And all of them have crazy good pigment. This palette is one of their wet and dry palettes, and like I've seen with a lot of BH Cosmetics products before, it's better wet just because, just because the fallout isn't as bad on the brush itself. I'll swatch a couple real quick, and overall, I love this palette. I think it's super cute. It's not very versatile, in that, like, if you see this makeup right now, can't really wear this every day. You can't really be like, oh, let me just do a cute little transitional blue, but all of the shades of blue will only be slightly lighter than the others. That was kind of my one downside that I thought of to this palette, is a lot of the blues are really similar. The purples, like I said, are really similar. The reds are really pretty. So I'm just gonna, let's swatch Venus, Aphrodite, Neptune, and Cosmic. So Venus, Aphrodite, Neptune, Cosmic. So we have the orangey color, and on my finger it feels really creamy. And then Aphrodite, it's this warm red, like burgundy color. This one's also really creamy. Neptune, deep, like electric blue color. It's really pretty and really creamy. And Cosmic, which is a little dry compared to the others, but it seems like it has a lot of pigment. And you know what, just for kicks, we're gonna go with the thumb too, and we're gonna do Saturn, because it's kind of a yellow color, and I want to see how well that shows up. I didn't put a lot of pressure on any of these, and on the finger, they look pretty. So let's go ahead and take, oh, that's not clean. I've been doing all of these back to back to back to back, all of my BH Cosmetic stuff, and so I'm falling apart. Yeah, so there we go. Let's start with Saturn. Okay, so I actually hadn't tried this color at all yet, even though I've used this palette a couple times since I got it. There's actually a decent amount of pigment, and look at that shine. That's pretty. And then let's go Venus. It's that orange color, and boy is she orange. Oh boy. And then Aphrodite, really rich pigment. Neptune, really rich pigment. And then Cosmic, oh boy, that's purple. There we go, now you can see it. But Cosmic has a lot of shine to it, so it makes it harder to see back here where I have all the lights set up. But up close, you can see the actual color. All of these are really pretty. I was really surprised that the Saturn, the yellowy kind of color, because in the pan it's yellow with little stripes of red. And so I was like, ooh, yellow. But it kind of comes out like a really pretty gold up here. And it kind of reminds me of rose gold, where it's kind of pinky. I don't know, this is a really cute palette. I like it a lot. It was on sale for $10, but I think the normal price is $20. It's really cute. I've never seen it priced at full price of $20, but I think I've seen it on there a couple times for like $16. The wonderful thing about BH Cosmetics is it seems like every other week there's a sale and something is marked down, and it's great. So this cute little palette, it's got all these wonderful things going on it. It has this big old intro thing about how all of these baked eyeshadows and how versatile they are. I don't think it's very versatile, but that's just me. And I think once again BH has come out with a palette that may not be good for a lot of skin tones, but this one comparatively to others is more versatile when it comes to skin tones. It has a lot of the deeper, richer colors in it, whereas I remember, I think it was the Nude Rose palette, really pinky nudes, and they were all really light nudes, very light nudes, very like medium to light skin tone nudes, and they didn't really work out when it would come to putting them on other skin tones, I don't think. I can say this one actually does show up on other skin tones. My boyfriend is, he's mixed and he has darker skin, and like I think I asked him which ones he thought were pretty, and he said Earth and Cosmic. I was like, okay, I'm gonna put them on you now. And they actually showed up really well. So the pigment isn't just like crap, because I'm like a blank canvas over here, and so, but in the case of other skin tones, I think this palette would work better than some of the other ones. I just don't think it's very good when it comes to finding transition colors. Unless you were doing something that was specifically purple or specifically red or specifically blue. Because they have 8 different blue colors in this one palette. But I think that's all I have to say about this. I hope this helped you if you were looking into buying the Galaxy Chic palette. It's super cute. Let me put the film back in it. Super cute. So I hope this helped you guys, and you should buy it. It's a good bang for your buck. Super cheap.